Now I'm preparing the coconut chutney for the dosas. For this chutney, I need some ingredient: 1 cup of shredded coconut, this is some roasted black chickpeas, and 1 cup of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, 2 small chilies. I have 1 teaspoon of salt. I have some curry patta, it's called like sweet basil, and I have some cilantro. I'm going to add the coconut chickpeas. I'm just going to grind this. I'm just going to add the yogurt, salt, green chili and cilantro. Now I'm going to grind. Pan on the gas and put it on a high and put a little bit oil. Let the oil heat up. I'm going to add the mustard seeds. Let it brown a little bit. I'm going to add sweet basil as a curry patta. It is time to close the gas, and this one I put in a chutney. I'm going to grind it again. My coconut chutney is ready. I'm going to put in a bowl.